Hey South Carolina, big news! Driving Academy is now open in Greenville. That means if you live in or near Greenville, CDL training just got easier, faster, and way more accessible. Whether you're starting from scratch or ready to level up, we've got your back. We're one of the top-rated CDL schools in the country, known for helping over 10,000 students get trained, licensed, and hired with real flexibility and real results. And now you can get that same experience right here in Greenville, South Carolina. Did you know that an average trucker earns around $70,000 a year or more? But here's the catch. There's three big things standing in your way. You've got to pass a series of written tests to get yourself a CDL permit. You need to attend a fully accredited CDL school for hands-on training. And finally, you've got to pass a 2.5-hour-long road and skills test to earn your actual license. No matter where you are in that process, our Greenville team is ready to guide you through every single step. At the South Carolina location, our certified instructors are here to help you earn a CDL Class A or a CDL Class B license. No fluff, no confusion, just clear steps and full support from day one. It all starts off with a tour of our facility, so you know exactly what to expect before you even sign up. Once you're in, you'll go through our Optimized CDL Training Prep course, where we'll teach you everything you need to know in order to pass your exams at your own pace. Then you move on to our training yard, where you'll learn how to perform inside and outside vehicle inspections, master parking maneuvers, and practice real test routes with hands-on instructor coaching. Before you actually hit the streets, you'll train on our state-of-the-art driving simulator, helping you get comfortable with shifting, spotting road hazards, and building confidence behind the wheel. And once you're ready, you'll drive on the actual roads and highways around Greenville with a certified instructor. We'll help you schedule and pass your official CDL test too. Here's why students actually choose Driving Academy above all other schools. We're flexible. We're open up 7 days a week with custom training schedules that fit your life. We make it affordable. Start with just $500 down with affordable interest-free, that's right, interest-free payment plans. We'll support you for life. Our lifetime job placement assistance means we'll help you build a real career, not just get a license. So what are you waiting for? Classes are filling up fast at our brand new Greenville location. Fill out the form, book your free school tour, and let's get you on the road to freedom right here in Greenville, South Carolina.